When you are food on product photographer, when coming winter time, you have less lights than summertime, and you think, oh, how I can work with the lights and make all the time good photo. This is good time to think about which lamp to buy for photography, what you should to buy the artificial light, maybe flash, maybe continue lights, and that today is video about the Godox SL60W, the lights, continue lights. I want to show you what is included with the lamp when you buy the lamp, how you can easily use in your photography and work with different modificator the lights. Let's go. When I photography food, I don't have problem to use the natural lights. I use all the time natural lights. I work morning, afternoon with natural lights. When coming winter and the day is short, so quickly dark, I have little problem work and photography my food. But the time when I change my lights coming when I start to photography product, because believe me, you can photography product with natural lights, but when you want to have like the same type of the photo, the same quality the lights on your photo, what you photography, the best things is use artificial lights. That's I bought my first lights, Godox SL60W. I bought this like 5 years ago. Like you see, the lamp is not so big, not so small, but believe me, it's good lamp for start when you think about what you should invest. This is continuous lights. You can buy flash lights, of course, the same, but continuous lights for me is plus because I can photography and I can record a video. With flash lights you cannot do that, but what I hear about flash lights is more strong lights than in continuous lights. That is one plus what you have with flash. But the plus what you have with this lamp, you have like is continue, you can record a video, you can do photos. That is perfect. What was included in this lamp? First things, you have like a reflector. You put this reflector here on the lamp. The reflector is perfect for when you want to work with the lamp and want you have the lights no everywhere, but direction in one direction, the lights. This is a reflector what was including in with this lamp. Another things, you have remote control. Believe me, I never use this remote control. I always set up one times my lights. If I need strong or this, I coming to the lamp to the back, because you have here small screen, easy to work with this. I later show you how to work with this screen, everything. But the remote control, I know it's work very good, but I never use. That is like not necessary for me, but somebody need. But you need the battery for the use this remote control. Another things was the cable. Like you see, the cable is really long. That is very good because my studio is not so big, but sometimes I must put lamp on the end my studio and I stay here. That's the cable is long, is amazing things. You don't must think about how I connection this lamp with the short cable. This cable is long and work perfect. Now I show you how work this lamp and how you can use with different modificator the lights. When I bought this lamp 5 years ago, I didn't know it will be good investment in my photography, but believe me, I use this lamp many times. I make beautiful photos with this lamp. For beginning, of course, I little scared. I didn't know how to use. I watching like some video and practice, because you must understand how to work with these lights. The lights is not so expensive, cost like 110 pounds now. This is good price for the quality what you have. Of course, it's not perfect, but it's good for beginner. When you don't understand how to work with artificial light, when you don't want to spend too much money. One mistake was what I done with this lamp. When I bought this lamp, I bought with softbox straight away because it was packet and was cheaper. But now I know I don't need the softbox. I can use like modificator, like umbrella, diffuser, or different type the modificator. What I don't need so big softbox would take so much space. I can use different modificator the lights to have the same beautiful lights. Here is the screen small, and here we connection as cable. Believe me, one minus, this lamp you cannot take with you outside because have cable, but you can buy for battery the lamp, the same Godox different model, what you can take with you outside, but this is perfect for studio on the cable, nothing more. Here we have button plus, 0 and 1 is the button off and on. What you start, like you see, you can start from 10%. And the lamp is amazing, it's enough bright for me. I use always maybe 20-30% when I record, but when I do photos, believe me, I use like 18, 19, like you see. You change how strong is your light, and that is perfect to use this lamp for me. I show you how I use this lamp from, I switch off all lights and we start from 10% to go up. This is 10% what I have. Like you see, we change 20%. Here we have 25. 14%. Believe me, the lights is so strong. 50, 60, 70, 18, 19, and that is 100. Believe me, it's so strong. Like you see, the lights is really strong. For 100, 50%, 40% is this what I will be probably use. Like recorder video or something like that. You don't need so strong. You can easily use this lamp with different modifier lights because have special place here. You can set up your reflector, softbox, the bottom is the hole for your umbrella, and I show you now how you can use this reflector. The lamp have special hole all the time, and the reflector have special things for this hole. When you put your in this hole, you hear like boom, and when you want to remove, you move this and your reflector go. That is easy install. That same you install the softbox. I show you now. I have that softbox what have really here the grid. You install the same like you installed before, the same hole. You install, boom, and this softbox you can regulation the same. That is easy to install the softbox with the lamp. Wasn't something complication. You see, you can easy use, and everything stay and is perfect. Now I show you how to use umbrella. The lamp you have here special hole where you install this umbrella. You open umbrella and you take from there to here, and you should have here something screw. I lost was different something, and I lost these things. I have like 4 years the lamp. Now I screw this. Believe me, the umbrella stay, and you can easy use in photography like you another diffuser the lights, the umbrella with this lamp. Another modifier lights what you can easy use with this lamp is diffuser. Like you know, diffuser you open and have different size, different shape, can be a ring, can be that's what I have here. You put front of your lamp, like here I show you, and the lights coming and it's more soft from them. You can keep that diffuser front of your lights, but second you can use the stand, put this diffuser on stand and use with this lamp. That is easy to use the diffuser, another modifier with this lamp. Like you see, was easy set up this lamp, use this lamp with the different modifier the lights. You need only stand, connection to the electrician because this is on the cable, the lamp. You can use softbox, umbrella, diffuser, what you want to make beautiful stunning photo if you know how to work. If you want soft light, when you don't want soft light, you don't use any that modifier, maybe only reflector to make direction with the lights, not put lights everywhere when you want hard lights to use and make photo in hard lights. But this will be different topic about this lamp. But when you start photography, I really recommend this lamp. Don't buy the bubble with the bubble, the lamp, because the temperature is completely different and you will be have yellow lights. This is perfect. It's temperature 5600 Kelvin, what is perfect for natural light. I love use this lamp. It's strong. I make a lot of photo with this lamp. Easy to set up, have everything what you need for start. It was the best invest in photography what I done 5 years ago.